How to fix Elden Ring crashing on PC. Step 1. Restart your PC. Restarting clears out any temporary issues that might be causing crashes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for online features and updates. Step 3. Run the game as an administrator. Running as admin gives the game the necessary permissions to work correctly. Step 4. Verify integrity of game files. It fixes any missing or corrupted files. Step 5. Check graphics settings. High settings can overload your system, causing crashes. Step 6. Disable in-game overlays. Overlays from apps like Steam or Discord can interfere with the game. Step 7. Change launch options. Some options can help the game run more smoothly. Step 8. Update graphics cards. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues. Step 9. Update Windows. Updates can fix bugs that might cause crashes. Step 10. Check firewall settings. Your firewall might be blocking Elden Ring. Step 11. Close unnecessary background tasks. Extra tasks use up resources that the game needs. Step 12. Install Visual C++ Redistributable. Some games need this to run properly. Step 13. Reinstall Elden Ring. A fresh install can fix persistent issues. That's it for today's guide. I hope these tips help you get back into the game without any issues. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to see. Happy gaming, and see you in the next video.